And we also have grim new updates in the beachside condo collapse in South Florida. This memorial continues to grow in Surfside tonight as search crews report 10 people have now died. More than 150 people, though, are still unaccounted for. First responders with Florida's Task Force 8 are now joining the search efforts. Members from Ocala, Gainesville, and Marion County and firefighting agencies were deployed yesterday. The question is now, how did this all happen? News 6's Crystal Moyer speaks with a civil engineer to get some perspective.
When you go up high, especially in the coastal areas, the foundation design is very, very critical.
Dr. Nishati Katbis is a civil engineering professor at the University of Central Florida. He is not involved in the investigation into the collapse of the Champlain Towers condominium in South Florida, but says there are many factors that go into the potential cause.
This foundation, the materials, or change in the use of the structure, some damage deterioration.
The city of Surfside releasing construction and inspection reports showing the beachside condominium is 13 stories tall with 135 units, the high-rise built in 1981.
What will happen next will be the forensic engineering will take place. So the engineers will go there, collect samples. So it might take weeks to maybe months.
A 2018 structural survey of the building documents failing joint sealants and waterproofing below the pool deck, entrance drive, and parking garage. An inspector notes that failure to replace the waterproofing in the near future will cause the extent of the concrete deterioration to expand exponentially. These types of issues are something Dr. Katbis says could be monitored using sensors built into the structures or vehicles like drones and robotic sensors. Tools that Dr. Katbis says are already being used for landmark buildings.
For example, when you look at concrete, the infrared, for example, see things that you cannot see with naked eye. And these are kind of early warning systems.
Estimates for repairs as a result of the structural survey of the Surfside condo cost over $9 million. Permits dating back to April show some of those repairs were underway when the building collapsed. In Orange County, Crystal Moyer, Getting Results, News 6.